Hi there, fellow rock stars and lovers of animated movies. We are back with another exciting video that will have you humming, singing, skipping, jumping along to some of your favorite catchiest tunes from animated movies. Today you're in for a treat because we're diving into part 2 of our musical journey through animated movies. And we're stepping out of the Magic Kingdom for this one. My name is Heather Statham, aka the Pop Rock Coach. And on this channel, we talk about pop rock and contemporary music for the voice teacher and the singer. I am a vocal audition and rep coach that helps people learn how to connect authentically to songs that they sing and help them discover a little bit more about the songs and the artists of some of our most popular music. So if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and click that subscribe button, ring that bell, and stay tuned for some more amazing pop rock music content coming your way. Now, I know that it's easy to generalize that all animated movies are Disney. Very much like us Southerners referring to everything, every soda as a Coke. You know you're sipping on Sprite, but we call it a Coke. Don't argue, it's a Coke. Everything's a Coke. I digress. Animated movies have gifted us with some of the best music, catchy tunes, heartfelt ballads, and show-stopping numbers. These movies are really a goldmine for vocalists of all ages. This is not just for young singers. So whether you're a voice teacher hunting for fresh material or a singer looking to ramp up their repertoire, then this video is for you. So today I've got 10 pop rock songs for you from animated movies that are not specifically Disney/Pixar. So let's get down to business and dive right in. Oh, that's Disney. So let's dive right in and uncover the magic of these animated melodies. First up, we've got Better When I'm Dancing by Meghan Trainor from the Peanuts movie. This one is a blast. You cannot not dance when you listen to and or sing this song. It's upbeat tempo, it's catchy melody, it's a fun and really energetic choice for young singers. And I love giving it to my singers who are also dancers. It gives them a little connection into both parts of their lives. Plus it has really positive lyrics that encourage self-confidence and embracing your own uniqueness. I mean, it's not just a song, it's a celebration of self-love and self-expression. Feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Who's ready for some troll-tastic fun? Anna Kendrick brings her quirky charm to the song Get Back Up Again from the movie Trolls. This song is pure joy. It's just pure joy. It is an ideal song for singers seeking lively, up-tempo, upbeat pop tunes. The lyrics are amazing. They inspire all of us to keep moving forward, even when life throws us curveballs, which we all get. It's not just for kids either. It is an uplifting anthem for everyone. Staying in the colorful world of trolls, we have Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake. This chart-topping hit is just simply irresistible. Like, it's infectious. It's a must for singers seeking a feel-good, up-tempo, positive pop anthem. It's just a feel-good song that radiates positivity. And the lyrics remind us to live in the moment and live life to the fullest. Now we're gonna step out of the world of trolls and into the inspirational world of the movie Home with the song Feel the Light by Jennifer Lopez. This pop ballad is a beautiful choice for young singers. It has a message about self-belief, pursuing dreams, and reaching for the stars that resonates with everyone. It's more than a song. It's an emotional journey and a powerhouse vocal showcase. Time to add a touch of rock flair with the song Here I Am by Bryan Adams from the movie Spirit, Stallion of the Cimarron. Now this one might have slipped under your radar a little bit, but it's a hidden gem. With its soaring melody and emotive lyrics, it's a perfect showcase for a singer with powerful vocals and the need for emotional, powerful expression. And make it a really, really good choice for singers who are looking to really find a vehicle to express themselves. Andy Grammer brings the fun in the song A Friend Like Me from the movie Captain Underpants. No, this is not Friend Like Me from Aladdin or You Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story. This song celebrates the bond of young male friendship with a playful and very lighthearted vibe. It's perfect for helping young boys express their feelings and embrace their vulnerability. It's just an empowering anthem for young dudes like everywhere. Prepare for a burst of positivity with Everything is Awesome by Tegan and Sara from the movie, The Lego Movie. This song is like a bundle of joy just wrapped up in 3 minutes. The song's upbeat and catchy vibe make it a perfect choice for singers of all ages. The lyrics are super easy to catch on to and sing along to, which make it a great option for group performances. And it's all about celebrating creativity, individuality, confidence, happiness, and who can argue with that? Now it's time for a bit of nostalgia, particularly for my Gen X friends out there, with Somewhere Out There from the movie An American Tale, sung by Linda Ronstadt and James Ingram. This powerhouse vocal duo delivered a classic power ballad full of poignant emotional melodies and heartfelt lyrics about longing and hope that just resonate with everyone. And yes, it is a duet, but it can be sung as a solo, so don't let that stop you. It's an amazing song and deserves to be covered often. Wrapping up our list with a splash of Shrek humor, we have Accidentally in Love by the Counting Crows from Shrek 2. This song's a ton of fun, just straight up ton of fun. Up-tempo, catchy, playful, whimsical, with a great melody and tempo, make it a perfect choice for singers that want to really engage with the audience and get them up and moving around and playful. This is a great choice. The lyrics capture the feeling of falling in love unexpectedly while adding a sense of lightheartedness and joy to it. For me, it's just pure musical happiness. And there you have it, folks. More songs from animated movies that are perfect choices for singers young and old. Remember, these songs were crafted specifically for these movies, and that offers a unique blend of storytelling and music all wrapped up in one song. And if you need more and you're craving some more animated goodness, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know if you want a part 3, because we can do that. Don't forget to check out my Spotify playlist, which has these songs plus songs from part 1. Check that out in the description below, plus so many more. And you can find the link to the Spotify playlist in the description below. Keep singing, keep sharing your voice, keep finding your joy in the music, and stay tuned for more musical adventures. Until next time, go be awesome and rock on.